The Kalashnikov rifle became a global icon, but every country that adopted it gave it their own twist. And when it comes to unique and durable AK designs, the Yugoslavian AKs stand out. Today, we're diving deep into the story of the Yugoslavian AKs, their design, service, and legacy. After the Soviet Union introduced the AK-47, many Warsaw Pact nations started producing their own versions. But Yugoslavia, despite being a socialist country, was never fully aligned with the Soviets. This independence extended to their weapons production. By the late 1950s, Yugoslavia's Zastava arms factory began developing their own AK variant, leading to the M64, the prototype for what would become their famous line of AK rifles. The Zastava M70 became the backbone of Yugoslavia's armed forces. Unlike the standard Soviet AKM, the M70 had some key differences. It featured a stronger, thicker receiver made from milled steel in its early versions, and later a sturdy stamped version. One of its most recognizable features is the three-vented handguard, a distinct departure from the traditional AK design. It was also equipped with a grenade-launching sight and an integral gas cutoff system, making it incredibly versatile in combat. The Yugoslav AK family included several unique models. M70, B1, the fixed stock version with a robust stamped receiver. M70 AB2, the underfolding stock version, perfect for paratroopers and mechanized units. M72, a light machine gun variant with a heavier barrel and bipod. M92, a compact Krinkov-style AK ideal for special forces. Each model kept the rugged reliability of the Kalashnikov, but with those distinctive Yugoslav innovations. Yugoslav AKs weren't just used at home. They were exported and saw action worldwide. From the Yugoslav wars of the 1990s to conflicts across the Middle East and Africa, these rifles earned a reputation for their durability and adaptability. Even today, they remain in service with militias and armed forces around the globe. In the civilian market, the Zastava M70 has become highly sought after. Its unique features, historical value, and excellent craftsmanship make it a favorite among AK enthusiasts. Whether for collection, sport shooting, or historical appreciation, the Yugoslav AK continues to hold a special place in the world of firearms. The Yugoslavian AK is more than just another Kalashnikov copy. It's a testament to Yugoslav ingenuity and independence. Built tough, designed smart, and battle-proven, it's a true legend. What's your favorite feature of the Yugoslav AK? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more firearm history on Armory Archives.